you pull money out, so say you sold a building, you pull it out $1 million.
Oh,
equity or whatever. Right?
Yeah, I always have another deal lined up. Yes.
Right? What if you wanted to pull out $500,000 for yourself to have your rent? Or like, can you pull money?
Absolutely, positively, you can pull money. The question is going to be, can you pay the investors as promised? Right? Okay, another thing, you can pull money, but some investor just send you an email and said, Mike, thank you for the last 2 years of investing with you. Here is my notice. You said you can cash me out in 12 months. Are you with me on this? Now listen to this very carefully. If it's an equity fund and you go get money from Adam to pay Joe, that's a Ponzi. But in a debt fund, remember the example I gave you? You have a loan with Chase Bank and Wells Fargo is going to charge you less. Can you refinance and pay them off? In a debt fund, I can say, Joe, I got your 12 months notice. And then I look at my investments. This property is going to cash out in 4 months. I'm going to get a credit line on this. I can use the assets to pay them off. Or Adam want to give me more money. Thank you, Adam. And then I cash out this person. Because I'm paying this guy 8 and Adam is going to get 8. Or Adam is going to get 6. Are you with me how beautiful this is? I'm telling you, challenge me. This is the best structure in the US. I do not pitch it on YouTube. I do not pitch it publicly because the more people understand it, I'll have competition. I just do it in closed rooms. And when you structure, don't go and broadcast it. It's your secret sauce. It's your investment opportunity. If I was a greedy guy, like Trump at one point, look, good guy, I don't have any bad things to say about these people but if Trump got so obsessed about making money that he got so many marriages and divorces, like a kid would run, who's your mommy? You know what I'm saying? It's like he had so many divorces. Couldn't even understand where he's coming and going. He's still struggling with troubles now when he is president. How many, like if you live straight, you won't have to worry about the trail of problems you have. Am I right? Yes or no? So anyway, you got the idea here? Yes. But they usually do what? Syndications. And if they do funds, they're actually trying to do a syndication, each syndication under a fund. So this one pays this one pays that. So they're having a hard time because people feel like they're missing out. They have a real estate fund and we're buying this apartment buildings. They do like Series LLC. Too complicated. Too many problems, too many moving parts. Do it like this, where you have a business model that works here, like the development of lands. And you're only gonna be able to grow as big as the crew that you have. Who's gonna afford the crew? The buildings. How do you think I pay for my attorneys and all this? I told you my cash flow from the passive income of Puerto Rico is $600,000. It didn't happen overnight. I've been in Puerto Rico investing for over 19 years. But I structured it right from the beginning. You do something right, you can grow right. Okay, all right.